Hello everybody. This video is about the online or high interest online savings accounts. This is something I promised in a few of my previous videos, and here it is. We've got 4 accounts, 4 different financial institutions. Some of them are banks. Today's 30th of January 2020, and as you can see, we'll have the institution, the name 1234, then we'll have a current maximum percentage you can earn with the maximum deposit that you can have in that account, and then the conditions to get the maximum rate. Okay, so spot number 4 is CUA, or Credit Union Australia. The maximum rate for that you can get is 2%. You can deposit up to $100,000 there. The account name is USaver Rewards Account, and the condition is that you must deposit $1,000 per month and to earn that bonus. So as the page says, this USaver Rewards account, interest is up to 2% once again when you deposit $1,000 or more each month into your CUA everyday banking account. So when you're opening these accounts, you're going to have to read this carefully and set it up so it works for you, so you don't lose the bonus interest, because most of the time the basic interest is very low, where then once you fulfill the conditions, you get this much bigger interest rate that you wouldn't otherwise get. So make sure you don't miss out any month on this by sticking to the conditions. So the good thing about this one is that you can dip into your savings when you need without losing your bonus. Some accounts have no withdraw condition. This one doesn't. No account fees, and that's pretty much for all of them. Good example of this base rate and then the bonus rate is our next account that actually spells it out here on the first page, is with Me Bank, which stands for, I think, Member Equity Bank. They're in a position number 3, and the current maximum percentage you can get on your savings there is 2.05%. Maximum deposit that you can earn this interest on is $250,000. And I trust you will go on to their page. By the way, I will be pasting these links into the description in the order of these accounts, so you can click through and go straight to the page of those accounts to make it easier for you. So once again, what's the base rate? What's the bonus rate? Here it says our variable interest rate is made up of 0.35% per annum base rate and a 1.70% bonus rate, which you have when you have the everyday transaction account and meet our criteria. So what's the criteria for Me Bank? The criteria is to use your key card and make 4 tap and go per month transactions. It used to be once a week at least, but now they've made it easier so you can spread it out in a whole month. If you do it in the first week or last week, or in one day, if you have those 4 transactions tap and go, you will qualify for that. Interestingly, you don't have to add any money to any of the accounts, and you still earn the bonus as long as you tap and go 4 times a month. Second highest interest earning account is Ubank, which is subsidiary of NAB, National Australia Bank. The current max percentage, again on the 30th of January 2020, is 2.1%. Maximum deposit is $200,000, and you have to have the USaver Plus Ultra account. Once again, that will be explained on the page, on the link that I post for you. And so you have to hold a USaver account. However, interest is applied to your USaver account balance. So you have to have USaver Ultra account, but the interest is applied on USaver account balance. Now, the only thing with this one is that once you qualify this month, you will start earning the extra bonus rate in the month after. So they kind of, make you wait for it for a month or up to a month anyway. One thing I need to mention about the Me Bank that I've just remembered is that only recently they've now made it possible for you to open as many as you like of these accounts under your same customer ID and have up to $250,000 and be earning the rate of 2.05%, which is actually very good for those who say have $1 million. You can park $1 million or more there and be earning 2.05%. And the winner is Bank of Queensland with the very high, at this time and of very low interest rates. Currently is 2.15%. Maximum deposit is $250,000, and obviously there'll be some conditions. So let's go through them very quickly. To be eligible for your 2.15% interest, you need to deposit a minimum of $1,000 into your linked Day2Day Plus account each month from an external source like a salary. Earn bonus interest 2.15 per annum in the following month on your fast track saver account balances. Your balance over $250,000, the base rate of 0.35 per annum applies. So anything that you have over $250,000 in that account will default back to 0.35%, which remember I said there's a base which you'll earn anyway, which is very low, and then there's extra bonus that makes it worthwhile having these accounts, which means that you have to satisfy those conditions on each one of those accounts. Now, CUA used to have an account called USaver Extra account that was very high interest paying. I don't know what it would have been now, but they don't have it anymore. And you were able to deposit up to $750,000, but you couldn't make any withdrawals. But you did have to deposit $250 from external source. But what's the point? I had a look, and CUA do not have that account anymore. So to recap, Bank of Queensland 2.15, Ubank 2.10, Me Bank 2.05, and CUA at 2% even. And as promised, I'm going to paste links directly to the pages of these exact accounts for Bank of Queensland. Once again, Ubank, Me Bank, and CUA. And also, if it works, in the description box, I'm going to paste this whole spreadsheet. In any case, that gives you a quick overview of, and so you can quickly compare and pick the one that suits you best. It's getting a bit dark here. I haven't turned the light on, so that'll do. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak again soon.